What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Me, not so well. Basically, as you guys seen by the title, today I crashed out and lost all 5 of my pros account. It's really dumb, honestly. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's always the same thing. I know how to trade, I know how to get payouts, I know my strategy works, everything works. It's just these specific days where my setup works. So today my setup worked, but when I entered I got filled a little bit higher, so my stop loss obviously is a bit higher too. Price ended up coming to my stop loss before going to my full TP. I was like, no way, I lost. Took another trade, right? As guys know, I risk 500, around 500, so 4 trades in a row I'm technically out. Like 500, 500, 250, 250, but anyway. I crashed out, took multiple trades, then what? Well, I was like, ain't no way. I resetted my pro account, and guess what? It's not even funny. I took a 1-to-1, risking 1.5k to 1.5k. I was like, either I'll meet the buffer in the same day, and mind you, it was like 1 p.m. I shouldn't even be on the short by then. Obviously, how this went, well, blew again my accounts. Then I was super mad. I just went out and cooled off. Now I'm back and I'm recording this video at 3:34. So yeah, I'm just being full transparent, right? Super honest. Even me, I'm getting multiple payouts and stuff. I still crash out. And honestly, I shouldn't, because I know I'm capable of actually printing money, but those little dumbass decisions just cost me so much money. Anyway, we have 5 new pros account, so I didn't get evals because I know I'm capable of. There's no way I'm spending another week on eval. For what reason, right? So yeah, those are 5 pro account right now. So same thing. I have to meet the buffer first, the trailing buffer. So I need 1.5k, and from there, everything above I can request. What I'll end up doing is just each time I can request, I'll request, because I need some money coming in my account, in my bank account. So yeah, from there, later on the road, we'll build up a bigger buffer and risk more. So yeah, really dumb, just those dumbass crash out. Now, what did I do to better myself? I actually sent an alarm on my phone at 10:15. So because at 10:15, I need to be off the chart. If I win, obviously I'm already off the chart. If I lose, it's 1 trade a day regardless. It just, anyway, some stuff like that. So I set up an alarm at 10:15, typing no trade. So when this ring, it's gonna remind me that I need to be off the chart regardless. So this will definitely help. But yeah, it just pisses me off. Here, I'll go quickly show you guys a recap. A winning day where but just a little mistake like that, a small little detail costed me my whole trade, my whole accounts. So let's fast forward. I fast forward way too much. Right there. What can I see on the 15-minute? We have the sell side, we have obviously this high, and we have a bunch of sell side right there. A bunch of flows, right? Perfect. Let's go on the 1 hour. Okay, we have a gap here. So we'll mark this here. Does it make sense? Yeah. Okay, let's fast forward. So market open, we sweep these lows, and then what? We go way down. Okay, so let's remove this for now. Let's leave this. 938, perfect. Fast forward a little bit more. 943. Okay, now we can remove this, we can remove this. So as of right now, if we respect this line, then I'll look for a continuation to the upside. Same thing, not a continuation, sorry, a reversal. And same thing, if we go down, then a continuation. Perfect, 949. 950, right there. I think I still have a picture. Let me go get it so I can show you guys. So what happened? We swept this low, then what? We displaced higher. Now this fair value gap, technically yes, it's in the line, in this line, so we shouldn't take it, but everything made sense. That price should just go higher, at least to these next highs. Here, let me just find it, 2 seconds. Here, I'll take a screenshot. I'll post it right now on the screen. Alright, anyway. Took this exact trade, like I said. Each time I enter a trade, straight up, I take a picture and put it in the journal, you know. Now, obviously, 100 for 200. As soon as price came down, I entered, right, as I should, but I got filled like that, like exactly like that. So fast forward, I got stopped out to the tick. So you see guys how I was super mad, stopped out by the tick. This is exactly how I got filled. If just I got filled a little bit lower, would have been fine, but it's my fault. It's obviously it's my fault, because here, okay, I got filled here. Well, I need to drag this and just put it here, even if I'm risking a little bit more now. This is what I should have done, right? Anyway, fast forward, this costed me my trade, and because I got stopped out by a mini tick and this dumbass mistake, I got super mad, and obviously the next trades they're not even entries and nothing, right? So they're just random trades. Crazy how I know my strategy works. I've back tested it. I know everything works. But today I just had to crash out. So anyway, that was the trade recap right there. This was the trade. Obviously now I have to restart. Now I have my 5 pros account, but I still have to meet the buffer again. So hopefully tomorrow we win with no drawdown. And if we lose, hopefully I don't get any profit before I lose, because that's just gonna eat me up. Yeah, obviously that's it. We had a great week so far. I mean, Monday, Tuesday, I got 1 L, 1 W, 1 L, 1 W. Today should have been just straight up a W, but it was my fault. But yeah, from now on, 1 trade a day in my time. So from 9:45 to 10:15, that's it. 1 trade a day, that's it. Don't force anything. I'm disappointed, but it's whatever. I know I'll be back. But the way that I crashed out, once I lost the account and I bought another, just so you guys know, to reset pros, it's about 3,000 in total. So I reset it pros, full ported this, blew them again, and now I bought another $3,000 of pros account. So that's already 6K. By the way, I forgot to mention, I did request the payout, so I'll be getting a 1.3k payout from the accounts that I've blown. I requested it last night. They're already on their way, so I guess that's cool. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.